Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Impact Mailing Club. And what I want to do is give you guys a rundown of the new important announcement that we received just a couple of days ago about the upgrade, the free upgrade that's going on up until November 14th. This promotion doesn't come around often. So for those who are looking at Impact Mailing Club or looking at direct mail, for a full-time income or to replace their income or for additional income, you want to take advantage of this. I have not seen this promotion in quite some time since I actually first got started. So it's back around for the season that we're in. And again, it's only going to be for up until November 14th. So please stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick presentation and stay till the end because I also have some bonuses that I'm going to be announcing for all of those who want to take who would like to take advantage of this opportunity. For those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail marketing since 2015. I actually looked into it and started earning a full-time income in 2016, just doing direct mail. And it is a very easy and simple way to start earning a full-time income. After failing for months at a time with online marketing, I just decided that I didn't want to give up. And I just wanted to find out another way to start producing a full-time income. I am now a six-figure earner. I have been since 2017 with direct mail marketing. I brought in my first $50,000 within 6 months back in 2016. So I'm just here to tell you this information because it is extremely possible to start earning a full-time income with direct mail marketing. As long as you're consistent and you know what you're doing. I'm here to mentor people and educate them on how this works and how you can start earning full time, okay? So special promotion, which is for all Impact Mailing Club for the fall, from up until November 14th, all Sapphire members will be upgraded to the diamond level at no additional charge. So that means that anybody that comes in as a Sapphire member between now and November 14th will automatically be bumped up to the diamond level. Now, for those that don't know, the diamond level is a total cost of $2,000 to get in. That's what it normally costs, okay? So you're not going to have to pay $2,000. You're now going to just come in at the Sapphire level, which is a one-time payment of $500, and you're going to get automatically bumped up to receive unlimited $1,000 commissions, okay? So the cost for the Sapphire level, again, is $500. You're going to send that in. If you want to see the breakdown, all you have to do is click on the description below and there's a link to get started. You're going to be able to get unlimited $300 commissions, unlimited $100 commissions, unlimited $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions, all the way down to the first level. Okay, so when you come in at the Sapphire level, you are now eligible to receive commissions on every single level that the company has, which is 4 levels. Okay, so the diamond level, excuse me, you're going to get 400 peel and stick labels. Excuse me, this is going to be mailed directly to you, priority mail. And you're going to also get 200 Impact Mailing Club postcards, okay? You're going to be able to use that to promote this opportunity, okay? It's going to come to you in a priority package, how to get started, your reseller license for every single level, okay? You're going to get the peel and stick labels, your customized cover letter, also your order form, okay? And it's going to basically tell you how to get started, all of the information that you need in order to be successful. It comes in like a package. So you're going to get like a box, sorry. And my bonus is I'm going to give you a customized cover letter. So instead of sending out the company cover letter, you'll be able to send out your own personalized cover letter. You're going to be able to get information for a website for your opportunity. You're going to get the funnel set up that will go on your cover letter. So if people want to go online to get more information about you, they'll be able to do so. And I'm also giving out information on how to get thousands of leads for your offline business opportunity. So you'll be able to promote this online. You'll have unlimited leads where you can actually go in and promote this opportunity to people online while you're in the process of sending out your mailings. Okay, so this is really a good opportunity. This is an easy way to start building a full-time income, and I think this is going to help a lot of people to generate the money that they're looking for. You just have to really be consistent. You have to believe in the opportunity, and you have to stay connected with like-minded people. That's what I did, and that's how I was able to start earning consistently. Okay, so what I want people to do is, if you can, just to follow my journey, click on this the subscribe button. Okay, that's going to allow you to receive notifications if you hit the bell of upcoming videos that I'm doing, and you'll be in contact with me to get more information about how I promote the opportunity and what you can expect when you get involved. And again, I will see you on the inside. If you need any more details about this program, you will get my email, phone number, and also the website link for this opportunity. So thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great night.